Hey everyone, welcome to Python for Kids. In this video, you're going to learn basic operators and variables. So let's jump right into it. And hope so you're doing well doing this right now. So we got, this is our agenda. Like I said, we're going to learn basic operators and variables. So basic operators is going to be fun because we are going to do some more coding today. So let's jump right into it. So I got some basic operators over here, and we're going to use this for our calculator we're going to make after we get more into Python and we learn like a lot of list and dictionary, and we get more used to variables and operator. But right now let's just focus on this. So over here I got a plus sign that stands for addition. I got an example, a plus b. I got a subtraction, minus or negative sign, and a minus b, and multiplication, guys. Like a lot of people mess up with this. They put an x instead of multiplying sign and the computer will give you errors. So make sure this little star is put in. You want to hit shift 8, and division sign, it's a slash, or you can also use percentage signs. In Python it's called module. So basically I'm going to give you guys what basic operators are. Operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operands. Consider this example, 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands, and the plus sign is called the operator. Okay, now we're going to use the help of Python and Visual Studio Code to help us with some of our example math problem. So go and head to Visual Studio Code and hit Control N, or you can just do a new file. Okay, and now it has given me a file. What you want to hit is Control S, which stands for save, and over here it's going to tell me txt. I'm going to name it math.py. Remember guys, in Python we always put .py at the end. So like whatever, if you can name whatever the file name you want. So if you wanted operators .py, you can put that, but I'm just gonna put math. Let's just stick with math. Math.py, and hit save. And .py tells it that we are going to use Python. So we are going to use let's just type in print bracket, and we'll type in 9 plus 8. You want to hit that Control S again, save, and you want to hit that run button. It's going to give us our answer, of course, and it tells us 17 because 9 plus 8 is 17. Now we're going to go in the order of adding, subtracting, multiplication, and dividing. So let's change that over to subtraction. Oh wait, my bad. And put Control S, and run. And we got 1 because 9 minus 8 is 1. Now we're going to hit the multiplication sign. And remember, it's shift 8, guys, because the sign is different, or you can't do X like that. So hit that. And hit that Control S and run this, and 9 times 8 is 72, so it has gave us our answer 72. Now dividing sign, so I'm just gonna use the regular, so it's a slash below your question mark. So hit Control S and run, and we got 1 because yes, it won't give us a decimal. I'll teach you that on further on in the next video. So I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna use a percentage sign, shift 5, and this is actually a module. It's gonna be the same. See, it's same because you can also use this as dividing because it's basically the same. So yeah, and now that's basically some of our operators. Now let's go ahead and learn some more basic new operators that we're going to use further on. And over here we have greater and lesser than. So over here we have the greater sign, which is the gray, like the mouth is facing the bigger number, and the closed is facing the less one, and the less than one is facing this way. And we have equal to, yes, we put double equal to sign in Python. So make sure you never mess up that. I'm just gonna guys give you a quick example. Print, and I want to give 88. I want to give it equal to 1 equal to show that it actually gives me an error. So it's gonna give me an error for, as you can see, it'll give me whenever this red wavy line comes, that means you have an error. And as you can see, it says print 88, and the equal to sign, there's a little arrow over here, and it's saying invalid syntax. So now if I hit another equal to sign and hit Control S, it's gonna be all good. And there we go, and it says true. If it was let me just put 28, it's gonna give me false, guys. So as you can see, it gave me false because basically it's not true. So because 88 is bigger than 28, so which is pretty obvious. And I'm gonna go like that, and 28. Let's try that. Now it's gonna say true. So yeah, and if I do the other way, it's gonna give me an error, because we all know that 28 is just still more or less, and it's not bigger than 88. Of course it's not. So that's basically it for the operators right now. We'll get more into the advanced later. Let's head over to variables. I want to tell you guys what variables are, because you're probably wondering what are variables. Okay. Oh, in Python, variables are reserved memory location to store values. In other words, a variable is a Python program that gives data to the computer for processing. Different data types in Python are numbers, lists, strings, dictionary, and other stuff. But don't worry right now about lists, strings, and dictionary, because we don't need to worry about that right now. But later, further on, we will look more into them. And we'll use variables and operators when we build our basic calculator and our modern calculator. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Hope so you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comment down below, and don't forget to like this video.